So, this ago came whining again that your project is indexing wrong. Index.php popped up in the search result and links on your site are leaving the wrong place. You being a true pro. Dug into engines, wrote the roads, hit deploy, and went to fix the bugs you created yourself earlier. But who's gonna test it? Your client? Or are you planning to play the game of manually clinking of thousands of links for the rest of your life? That's a dead end. Let me show you how people who actually value their time do it.
I write code, not SEO tests. If you want to fish out your bugs in production tomorrow and read angry messages from the client, you're suicidal.
If your code breaks in the internal linking, it's not a marketing problem, it's a technical debt and your reputation. We are evolving here to be professional, not just code monkeys. Here are the tools to crawl the site before the Google, but doesn't finish your crutches. First up, Site 1 Crawler. You can install it as an app or view or via the terminal. I use the terminal. Slap in this command. This thing runs through quickly and doesn't just spit out raw JSON. It generates a proper interactive HTML report. You open it up and immediately see where your broken link are, where your redirects lead, and if that cursed index.php crawled out again. Simple. There are a bunch of flags in docs so you don't kill your own server with request speed or to pretend to be a Google bot. Reading docs is useful. Try it sometimes. If you're testing a staged environment that has basic rules and you need to ignore robots.txt, the command will look like this. You just tag the user and password at the end. By the way, if you still don't know how to log staging with a password at the server level, I already have done video about it. So you can check it later.
But if the terminal is too complicated for your delicate soul, there's the frog.
Screaming frog. Screaming frog style spider. Industry standard. The free version gives you a limit for 500 pages for free. If the site is small, you will have a blast. If it's big, well, at least you will check the main URLs and thank God for that. Testing and password protection staging? No need to panic. Looking for where to show your credentials in the settings app will throw an authorization window at you itself. Enter your basic use and keep working. The main thing is to remember the password you set yourself. And now the moment of truth about robots.txt. Your staging properly should be closed from indexing by this string. And here is the free frog notes in principles. It says the block says I'm not allowed in here and stops. You can only ignore robot rules in paid version, so you have to pass. Either ask the client to buy a license, good luck with that, or go back to the first terminal tool I talked about earlier. It couldn't care less about your robots.txt, it will scan everything for free. But I'm just throwing life hacks around today. You really owe me a like and subscription. Long story short, take it and use it. Test your own code and don't wait until someone rubs your nose in your own box and let your SEO guys cry tears of joy. Alright, bye.